What's up YouTube fam? It's Aishi with a new recipe. It's a strawberry smoothie with a twist to the cliched recipes. It is strawberries, carrots, beetroots, all things good for me without compromising on the taste or the color of my smoothie. Word! So hi guys, my name is Aishi and I welcome you back to my channel Macro Media. Today I will be sharing my strawberry smoothie recipe with you all. But this is not just any other ordinary strawberry smoothie. In fact, this is the kind of strawberry smoothie, I love saying that you must have never tasted ever before in your life. Because of the ingredients that I'd be using, which you could never have imagined would pair so well with strawberries. But guess what? It does. Oh man, and the color of the smoothie deserves a separate video mention. It's just so attractive, it will call to you. Come, drink me, take a sip, just see what I'm all about. Feel me in your mouth. Might sound a little weird, but trust me, it is that great. And what's even better is that after you finally take a sip of the smoothie, you will be thrilled out of your head that how can something so healthy possibly be this tasty and this attractive to look at? Also, a slight disclaimer guys, this smoothie will only taste good if you make it with a juicer, a proper juicer which can segregate the pulp of the vegetable slash fruit from the juice of the vegetable slash fruit. Because it's a smoothie for a reason. You know what a smoothie means? It should feel smooth down your throat. It should not want to make you choke every time you take a sip. Like, I mean, sure, you can use a mixer grinder too, but the problem is that you would have to work really hard. First, chop up the vegetables very finely, then put them through the mixer grinder, then finally, strain out the juice concentrate from the pulp, and then by the time you're done with all these procedures, your motivation to drink the smoothie would be dead, leave alone making it. Okay, so I've given you all the warnings. Now it is up to you. You want to use a mixer grinder, a proper juicer, or your teeth to chop the vegetables. Bottom line is that my conscience is clear. Okay, so now that I've spoken enough, I don't think there's anything more to say. Let's head to the recipe. To make the strawberry smoothie, you will need soy milk in the vanilla flavor. I'm using the one with added sugar. 1 bowl of strawberries, 1 whole carrot and 1 whole beetroot cut into cubes, a handful of almonds and walnuts and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. First, we want to peel off the skin from the carrot and the beetroot and dice them up. Carrots are one of the best sources of beta carotene, which is excellent for your eyes and skin. Beets are rich in iron, folate, potassium and vitamin C. Great for people who do high intensity workouts or suffer from high blood pressure. Now that all this chopping is done, let's finally make the smoothie. Take a small mixer grinder jar and dump in your chia seeds and nuts. Take some strawberries, depending on how much fits at the first go, and grind them finely. We will be grinding the strawberries in 2 batches to avoid any spillouts. Strawberries is known as the food of love and romance, a natural aphrodisiac. If you don't know the meaning, please Google. The reason to use a small-sized mixer grinder is to crush the nuts and seeds into a fine powder, given their coarse texture. Take the remaining strawberries and grind again. This is how velvety and smooth the final paste should look like before you pour it into the smoothie glass. Because we don't want any nut pieces in our mouth while relishing our smoothie now, do we? Add around a small cup of soy milk into the mixer containing the puree and mix again till frothy. Now, add this layer on top of the previous layer. Combine it together with a spoon. If this looks pretty to your eyes, wait to see the final look of the drink. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants, and almonds and walnuts make one of the best sources of plant protein, apart from being extremely good for your cognitive functions.
Now all you got to do is juice out the tough veggies, that is the beetroot and the carrot, with the help of the juicer. Now this is when the juicer comes in handy. We will collect this juice in our smoothie glass. Swirl in all the different shades of pink together and get ready to take a sip of this gorgeous berry drink. So good! Loaded with vitamin C, protein, beta-carotene and antioxidants, this drink is sure to make you lose weight, make your skin glow and detoxify your body, while also making for the perfectly filling and energizing breakfast or lunch smoothie, however you like it. My videographer agrees too, right Rahi?
Okay guys, so as you saw, my strawberry smoothie recipe was not just a hit with me but also with my cinematographer. Do give it a try. And also if you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel Macroon Media if you haven't already. Press the bell icon to hear more from me to get updates from my channel, and share this video with as many people as you like. I'll see you soon. Bye and be healthy and happy. Bye.